Hey everyone, welcome back to Tenorshare channel. In this guide, we'll show you how to organize PDF using Tenorshare PDNob in just a few clicks. Click on Open PDF and use Windows File Explorer to locate and open the PDF file you want to organize. As you can see, there are several tools and functions you can use to work on your PDF documents. To organize my PDF documents, I'm simply going to head over to the Page tab, and as you can see, all the pages of the entire document can be seen here in small-sized thumbnails. Let's begin by splitting this PDF document. To split, I'd simply click on Split, and in this submenu, I can split the document either by the number of pages or based on file size. For instance, this is a 25-page document. I'm going to choose Split by Pages. I'll specify 5 pages per file and keep the output folder the same as the source document. To go further, you can also specify how the PDFs would be labeled. Edit the prefix or suffix for the file names, just to be more organized. After selecting all the options you want, click on Split. The document will be split up accordingly, and when I open the Save directory, you can see that the 5 files have been saved and labeled accordingly. Let's say I want to extract pages from this PDF document. To do that, click on Extract. In this submenu that appears, specify the page range or select specific pages as custom pages. Any of the pages you specified will be highlighted, as you can see. If that's all the pages you want, click on Extract, and they will be opened in a new window for further modifications. If there's none, come to the top left side of the interface and click on Save to save the newly created file. Let's go back to the original PDF. So, assuming you want some pages from another PDF to be added to this PDF, all you have to do is click on Insert, choose the Insert File option, and then use Windows Explorer to locate and load the source PDF. Specify the page range and choose where you want to place the file. Select the location in the original PDF and click on Insert, and as you can see, the 2 pages have now been inserted. Now, let's say you want to replace some pages in the PDF with pages from another PDF. Simply click on Replace. This sub-window will appear. In the original file on the left, select the pages to replace, and on the right, load the source file and also specify the pages you want to use as replacement. After you finish making your selection, click on Replace, and you can see how easy it was to replace pages. Assuming you have some pages in this PDF which you want to remove or delete, all you have to do is select all the pages you need removed. Come up to this toolbar and click on Delete. Click on OK if you are really sure you want to permanently remove the pages. Also, if there's a page you want to duplicate in your PDF, it's very easy. All you have to do is right-click on the page and select Duplicate, and the page will be duplicated. You can duplicate any page you want into as many places as you need. So, assuming you want to rearrange or rotate the orientation of any of these pages, you can easily do that also. All you have to do is drag the pages to whatever position you want them to be, and then they will be placed there. If you need to rotate any pages, you can also select one or more pages and click on the clockwise or counterclockwise rotation icon to change their orientation. You can do this for as many pages as you want, or even for all the pages of the document. To get started with organizing your PDF documents and to try out what Tenorshare PDNob has to offer, use the links below to try it out for free. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more official tips and tricks. Thank you for choosing our software, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.